So we found a car park outside the centre of Porto because we don't really want to park in the centre, and there are lots of other vans, so we've locked Remy up, taken the surfboard off the roof, and we're right near a metro station, so we're about to get the metro into town. One of the things Portugal's famous for is their pastel de nata, which is a tiny little pastry with custard cream in the middle, and we tried quite a few to make sure that we found the best one. Next stop after food was Livrario Lello, or maybe Leo, we're not sure exactly how it's pronounced, but it is said to be the most beautiful bookshop in the world. So we're in the biggest bookshop, I think the oldest bookshop as well. This is in Portugal, in Porto, and it's our dream. Jess is in heaven. I'm in love right now. And Jess worked in a bookshop to save money to come on this trip, so it's even more poignant. The bookshop is also said to have inspired J.K. Rowling when she spent time in Porto for the decoration and the architecture in Hogwarts. Was our very successful day in Porto.